In this lesson, we will learn how to find the version of Microsoft Project software you currently have or are using. These techniques should work for all versions starting from Microsoft Project all the way to the most current version of Project. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell so that you get notifications when I publish a new video. Here we start with the schedule we've been using before, and we're going to go see what project version we have. To do that, you go to the top left of your screen and go to File. And then you're going to go all the way down to Account and click on Account. And then here you're going to go ahead and you're going to see your product information. If you have a subscription, it's going to tell you the subscription product here. If you do not have an online subscription, if you have Microsoft Project product that is just a desktop version, then don't worry about it. You will not see the subscription information here. What you can go do is go down to the About page, click on it, and then we'll see, everyone can see what version of Microsoft Project you have. So right here it says About Microsoft Project Online Desktop Client. So I have the latest version of Microsoft Project, which is an online version, and I'm using the desktop client. So for you, it might say Microsoft Project 2013. It can say Microsoft Project 2016. It can also say Microsoft Project 2019. Okay. And then here you're going to see Microsoft Project Online Desktop Client MSO. So this is the the number that you need to give if you are contacting Microsoft to tell them what kind of build you have and patching you have. These numbers in here will tell them all the information they need to know. Also, you know that this one, my version has a 64-bit. Yours might say 32-bit. That is also important information. And then, of course, you have the licensing information and the session ID. So those are all important. So then now you know what version you have. I'm going to click OK. The other question you might get is whether you have a standard version or a professional version. And to figure that out is that you can see at the top of your window, you can also always see what it says. It says Project Professional, or it might say Project Standard. So here you can see they have Project Professional. And so this Project Professional is used to connect to Project Server or Project Online. If you're not going to have to connect to Project Server or Project Online, then having Project Standard is the best option. You really need Project Professional basically to be able to connect to those types of servers, either on-premise or online. So hopefully with that, you have learned how to figure out what version of Microsoft Project you have and be able to communicate that to anyone that needs to know this information. So in this lesson, you learned how to find out the version of Microsoft Project software you are currently using. My name is Minerva Goree, and I'll see you in the next lesson.